Hey y'all, it's Tuesday and I'm back on my dress for the wedding and I am sewing in some darts. So let's get to it. Okay y'all, so I got my leather straps on.
For the much needed self-care
There they are.
It's a dream come blue.
You see them. Sorry about the noise in the background. Hold on a minute.
Everything is better.
Okay, family. I have put on leather straps. I don't know if y'all can see them. Yeah. It's not real leather. It's faux leather. But there. That's what I wanted. So. So this is how it's looking. I was thinking about putting leather here. I don't know. But right now, that's where it seems to fit at right now. So I'm going to put on the waistband. The straps are pretty long. I don't know if you can see where they hang at. Let me see. Yeah, so I got to figure out the back part and what I'm going to do with the straps after that. Yeah, so we'll see. Yeah, plus I got to work out today, so yeah, got a lot on my plate. But I'm going to get it done. She going to get it done, y'all. She going to get it done. But everything is falling where I need it to fall. The way I want it to fall. I just have to decide on what, because I don't want no boobies showing during the wedding. It is a church wedding. And I don't have no boobies out anyway. You know, a little sexy, but not a lot. Okay, but anyway, let me get back to putting on this waistband. Hold on. So, hey y'all, I am done with the bodice of the dress and adding the straps and everything, and I'm pretty happy with it. You saw me struggle a little bit with putting this band on, how I wanted it to lay, and because I don't want my boobies to be out, I want it to be respectful because I am at church. I want it to be respectful no matter where I'm at. How about that? So, yeah, because I might have to wear this to another event in February at a red, black, and white event. So, the band is on, and so the next steps will be putting together the back skirt and going from there. Yeah, so those are the next steps. It'll be step number 19. And I'll be just look at the picture because the word's going to be backwards. Okay, I'm going to be doing the back. I will not be doing a zipper. Okay, I planned on just stepping into this dress and pulling it up. I don't feel like doing no zipper. I need to practice anyway. So it's been years, over 20 years since I put in a zipper. Over 20, over 25, over 30, over maybe 40. So, yeah, but this is how it's going so far, and I like the way it's going to lay. Yeah, and I have on the right bra and everything, and yeah, it's gonna be cute. It's gonna be cute. And I put the band, I had to recut the waistband as you saw because I needed it to go in the stretch direction. So yeah, we're gonna see. I'm gonna try not to put too much pull on that. But yeah, I think it's going to come out really, really nice the way it's going to fit and everything. And I'm going to be really, really proud of myself. And so is my daughter. So with that said, I will see you guys in the next clip. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl J Sotastic. Sound what? I don't know, but we doing some sewing over here today, y'all. It is Wednesday hump day. Welcome back to the channel. I am so glad you decided to click on that button and watch this video. I am. So in the beginning, I just want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. I appreciate you. I'm so glad that you decided to subscribe to the channel. And if you are still watching and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Because we almost at 900 subscribers. So that means that I need 3 more people to push us over the top. 3 more people. So if you're watching the videos and you haven't subscribed, please do. We're trying to grow over here. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I don't really care about the monetization, y'all, but I just want to get the numbers. Okay. Okay. So with that said, let's get into the video. Where am I at with this dress for my daughter's wedding? Well, let me share with you right now, okay? I have got the bodice done, and I did a little bit of embellishments with it. I added the leather straps, and I added this across here. I just made it up as I went, y'all. I added some piping, some black leather piping. This is the back side, and this is the front side, right along the edge of it. Hoping y'all can hear me because I know I'm moving my mic around. I know, I'm sorry. But now I understand why the girls be holding the mic, because we be hitting it with all this stuff and all this moving around. But anyway, get back to the point, girl. Yeah, but this is the top. Okay. This how she looking. We got the bodice part on here. Okay, and let me see, hold on. Let me see if I can connect this mic so that I can move here. Let me step back and give you kind of like an idea of what the total thing's gonna look like, but it's gonna be flare, you guys. It's gonna be flare. It's not gonna be straight like this. It's going to poof out because I'm gonna put gathers in it. And I think it's really gonna look beautiful once I do my hair and I do the whole thing. So right now I will be working on I plan on working on the skirt today, so that I could get it attached and figure out how. Ooh, hold on, y'all. Figure out how I'm going to do the back of the dress, because I have no clue at this point in time. I don't know. I'm just going with the flow of things. I don't know what I want to do with the straps. I don't know. The straps could just, they're pretty much going to just tie around. I'm moving my mic again. Probably sounds super loud. They're going to be tied around my neck, like so, and hanging. Okay, and yeah, this is gonna go around. When I add the skirt to it, it's really gonna fit really, really nice. I want it to be appropriate, and I don't want to have any, like, boobage showing or anything. But check out that piping. I didn't even know I could do that, y'all. I did not know I could do that, but I did it. It's my first time having a top with lining. The skirt's supposed to have lining, but I'm not gonna add lining to it because I'm thinking about putting a puffy skirt up under it so it can puff out like a princess look. Um, and then I do have a long red jacket that I'm going to wear over this so that my arms are not totally exposed and I'm freezing or whatever cold. I don't know what the weather going to be like on the 21st. So, but anyway, this is where we started at. We started from the bottom, now we're here. We started from the bottom, now we're here. So anyway, um, yeah, this is where we at. So I'm excited. I don't know when I'm gonna get to part 3 because this is part 2, but I have until the 21st to finish this dress. And you guys know I normally upload on Mondays unless I do a surprise drop in like I am today. I did mention in my last video that I would be here today, so here I am. And with that said, yeah, I am looking forward to completing this sooner than later. And also, I also will be making bow ties for my son and for my friend who's walking me down. And my son is walking my mom down. So they are going to have on black with bow ties that match my dress. The color scheme is red, black, and white, if you didn't know. And Winston, stop. My supervisor is being irritating. And see, y'all see his paws. Y'all see his paws. Look, look, look. What? What do you want? What? Where are you trying to go? Where are you trying to go? Hmm? I don't know, y'all. But anyway, yeah. And I just wanted to say too, that I just started my um I just started my cabbage soup regimen on yesterday. So yesterday was the first day that I just ate fruit and cabbage. Your girl is still trying to lose 10 pounds before the wedding. Hopefully this will help. Am I hungry? Yeah, because I ain't even ate today yet, and it is 11:30, and I haven't eaten, which is not a good thing. I should be eating. But anyway, I'm not gonna hold you guys long. I just wanted to come on here and show you the progress, part two of the mother's dress for my daughter's wedding. And I am so glad that you stopped by. I'm so glad that you subscribed, and I'm so glad that you staying and you part of the family now. You's family now. Family. Yes. Such an awesome thing. God is so good. Yeah, so I'm gonna get back. I gotta go to work. I gotta go to the store. And as you see, I gotta go walk Winston because he won't leave me alone. But this is the body we working with, and hopefully we'll work with one that's a little bit better before December 21st. And yeah, okay. We're gonna go. We're gonna go. Okay, we're gonna go. He ain't gonna stop y'all until I take him outside. He is consistent. If anything, he's consistent. I can count on Winston to make sure I get my walks in at least 4 times a day. So I am adding that. I am doing my row machine, even though it's in the corner. I do bring it out and do that. So, yeah. With that said, I'm gonna talk to y'all in the next video, which probably will be Monday, in case I decide to pop up and do a surprise. If I finish this dress before then, I will do a reveal of the dress, just so you can see what it looks like. I don't know if I'm gonna completely dress it up, but I will do the finished look. Okay, so I'm excited, y'all. I don't even want to let y'all go. That's how excited I am that we have 897 subscribers. I am elated. Trust me. I do want to get to 900. I ain't even gonna lie, cause y'all got me wanting to get there. So let's get there. So if you haven't subscribed, once again, please do. Let's get your girl over 900. Okay. All right, y'all. Talk to you later.